What's up, everybody? My name is Jonathan Casey. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a channel where I like to talk all things tech related. It doesn't matter if it's a smartphone, a camera, or a computer, chances are you're gonna see it on this channel. I deliver content in a unique and interesting format, and I do it every single week. If that sounds good to you, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So Xiaomi is holding an event in order to break the Guinness World Record for most people unboxing simultaneously all together. And it sounds pretty cool. It's being held at the Oculus Plaza in New York. The event starts at 1 p.m. and there are a ton of different things that you can win, including a short throw projector. You could win a scooter, you can win some robots. Like, there's a lot that you can win. And in order to celebrate this event, they've given me my own personal mystery box to unbox with you guys. So let's go ahead and grab that and bring it up here. The thing is big. It's like I said, this thing is massive and we're gonna need some help. Woody Allen. So we'll go ahead and cut the tape here. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got inside here. So I'm just gonna take everything out of the box now, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, so I have a mountain of stuff here. Let's go ahead and start with this. It says not for resale in the USA, and it looks like a little stuffed animal. It's gonna be my buddy right here. Next up, we got a power bank. So a 10,000 milliamp hour Mi Power Bank Pro. We have two-way quick charge. Can never go wrong with a power bank. And you can never really have too many of them because they always come in handy. Next up, we have the Mi Box S. Now, I actually did a review on the Mi Box S, and I personally think that it is the best budget streaming box that you can currently buy on the market. You get all the benefits of a Chromecast in a very small compact form factor, and it supports 4K. Can't go wrong with this. Next up, we have some earphones. Mi True Wireless earphones. What do we have here? It says lightweight and portable, touch control, true wireless. Cool. Next up, we have a Mi wireless charging pad, 10 watt max. That's cool. Just like power banks, you can never have too many wireless chargers. So this is definitely cool. And lastly, we have this, which, if I'm not mistaken, this is a backpack. Go ahead and open this up. I'm a huge lover of backpacks. I have a ton. In fact, I need to go through and start selling some. So this is definitely right up my alley. I love bags. All right, so it says urban lifestyle at the top. A little zipper compartment here. Go ahead and unzip it. Now that's cool. I love the color on the inside. That blue is pretty fire. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Xiaomi. I appreciate all of the items. Again, if you guys aren't following me on social media, make sure to do that. I might give away all of these. I'm definitely gonna give away 2 or 3. So make sure to follow me over there. And yeah.